The thread traffic source is a game changer for digital marketers, including bloggers. For those who don't know, you need Instagram account before you can create a Threads account. And I have a tutorial on how to create a Threads account on desktop. On mobile devices, it's easier. I've realized an increase in my traffic and even my email marketing conversions. And I'll show you how I use it. So click on this icon. I'll go back and I'll copy this video. Let me see if I can find one video. All right, so I guess I have all of these already. Let me try and find something. But yeah, let me promote this one. Instead of creating a thumbnail and stuff like that, I'm gonna just copy this. All right, so get a share link and I'll go back. Then I'll control V and it's gonna generate it. Good. This is the content, and as you can tell, you cannot promote content on social media without an image because it's gonna be boring. People are just scrolling up and down. I have the link here, and because this is video from YouTube straight, even when the prospect or even if the viewer click on this, because it's linked, it's gonna take them straight to my YouTube channel or straight to this video. Also, it has the title here. I don't need to type anything. Add your Systeme.io website to Google Search Console 2023 in the Systeme.io URL on Google. As long as I'm pulling my content from another source or from another website, I don't need to type anything. That's one good thing I like about this traffic source, and best of all, it's free. The next thing I'm gonna do is to click on post. To check it, you just click here on the profile, see, and bam, it's just right here. And this is how it's gonna look on the feed, but obviously this is my profile. Let's say it's gonna come here like that. These are other postings. Let me try and post a blog content. So click here and I'll go to my website and I'll try and promote this one, and it's Pictory AI. This helps you to create video content if you feel shy and you don't want your face to show up, or if you want to create video for product promotions and stuff like that. All right, even podcasts, sometimes you want to use images here and there. I would right click on the title, right click, copy link address, and I'm gonna switch windows. Then I'm gonna control V and you see, bam. Then the next thing to do is to post it. Like I said earlier on, you just have to click your profile and bam, it's showing right here. Thanks for your time. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to this channel.